This 1960 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe blends classic lowrider style with modern performance. After spending years in Arizona, it was acquired in 2022 and treated to a full body-off refurbishment. The result is a stunning custom build that turns heads and delivers serious performance. The body is finished in a deep metallic black with bold red side accents, riding low on an adjustable airbag suspension. Classic chrome trim, dual antennas, fender skirts, and a Continental kit add to its vintage swagger, while 13-inch wire wheels with white wall tires seal the lowrider look. Round taillights and horizontal fins complete the unmistakable 1960s silhouette. Inside, red vinyl bench seats are paired with colorful cloth inserts, black and red carpeting, and polished dash trim. A retro-style stereo is paired with aftermarket speakers, and air conditioning adds modern comfort. A chrome-accented steering wheel sits in front of a 120 mph speedometer and classic gauges, while insulation under the carpet keeps the ride quiet and smooth. But it's under the hood where this Impala really surprises. A fuel-injected LS1 5.7-liter V8 breathes through a velocity intake, tubular headers, and a custom air intake. Power is delivered to the rear wheels via a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission, and the rumble exits through a dual exhaust that cuts off just ahead of the rear wheels. 4-wheel power disc brakes give it the stopping power to match. This custom Impala is a perfect fusion of 1960s flair and 21st century muscle, ready to cruise the boulevard in style.